Most people think the Glorious Revolution was about religion, about Parliament, about a Protestant king being replaced by a Catholic one. That's the decoration, not the building. When William III crossed the Channel in 1688, he brought 40,000 soldiers, but that's not the part that matters. He also brought Dutch bankers, and within 6 years, they handed England something new, a central bank, built to issue bond debt, to fund wars the crown couldn't afford, and to collect interest on the nation permanently. They wrote the contracts. They held the ledgers. They set the rate at which kings could go to war. They didn't conquer nations. They invoiced them. The Rothschilds didn't create this system. They didn't invent it. They weaponized it. Courier networks, battlefield intelligence, bond trades executed before the treaties were ever signed. By the end of this, you'll see the blueprint. And once you see it, you'll start noticing it everywhere.